Good day and welcome to today's tutorial class. My name remains Oluwatunde Blessing Olalekun, the founder of Tech. So I will be producing the isometric view of the object displayed on the screen right now. So remember I said I'm going to be producing plenty drawing on this same paper, so as just to to manage. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is place my set square right here. Okay, I'm producing a thin vertical line, then from the intersection with the horizontal line which I have here, so I'm producing my isometric plane towards the right and left hand side. Isometric plane towards the right, then turning my set square, I have another isometric plane towards the left. Okay, so with it being that way, I'm going to total distance from here down there is 60, but before that 60, from the intersection right here, okay, placing my ruler there at mark of 60, as you can see. Yeah, at mark of 60, as you can see. So measure the mark of 60, but from that same junction I measure mark of what, 10. Yeah, because of that offset area there. So here to here is 10, here to here is 50. Total distance here is what, is 60. Okay, so total height is going to be 30. Total height is 30, but at the front here, so I place my ruler, I have it there 10, 20, 30. Total height is 30. Okay, but we have an offset of 15, so I'm going to pick the midpoint, 15. So here to here is 15, here to here is 15, making what, making 30. That's also settled. Then towards my left hand side, the total width there is 40. So placing my ruler right here, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40. I pick my mark of 40, but I'm also going to measure offset of 10. So here to here is 10, here to here is 30, making what, 40. Then after doing all of that, I'm going to I'm going to use my set square and project vertical lines on these marks first. On this area, ensure your T-square and set square are sitting perfectly. Okay, on this area. Okay, on this area and this area. Okay, so after doing that, next thing is pick my set square. Okay, like this, on this mark here, all the way to the back at this junction here, all the way to the back. Do you see that? Then the other way around from here, ensure your T-square and set square are sitting comfortably like this and like this. Then after doing that, I'm going to take this from that intersection to the back like that, then from this intersection right here, okay, to this place like this. So as it stands like this, so take note of this so that you won't be confused, from the back here, from this place, I'm measuring mark of 40, which is this mark of 40. Then we said here to here is, oh, I think I did mistake from the inception. Here to here that I measure here should be, okay, I'm going to correct it from here. I did here to here to be 10, here to here to be 30. No, here to here to be 10, here to here ought to be 20, not 30. So I'm going to come here and do this 20 here. So picking this 20 here, then I'm going to come here and do my 10, 10, 10. From here to here is 10, here to here is 10, here to here is 10, making 30. So I'm going to correct the error I did here. So I don't even need to erase anything. I just correct it once and for all like this. So from this junction, I pull this up like this. Then with my isometric plane, I drag it all the way to the back right there. You see that? So it's going to sort itself, don't worry. So from this area, I pull. You see that? From this area, I pull my isometric plane. Okay, so yeah, remember I did here to here to be what, 40. So that mark of 40, I'm going to pull it horizontally like this. I mean isometrically like this. I said horizontally. So after pulling it isometrically like that, I'm going to pull this area downward like this. Make it bold because I'm figuring out my object like that. So then from this junction here, isometrically like that. So I go like this isometrically. Okay, so I'm going to start to thicken my object now. So this junction here, I pull it down boldly also. It won't be faint, boldly. Okay, so we are given a height of 5. So with my ruler, I measure mark of 5, which is this height of 5. I'm going to draw it isometrically like this. Then I'm going to bold it once and for all. So I bold that. So then with my object like this. Okay, so then I'm going to thicken this. I can thicken this out. Thickened. Okay, then right here is also thickened. Okay, now I can thicken this place to like this. Thickened. Okay, then I can bring this like this and thicken this place out also like this. Thickened. Okay, I can thicken this place all the way to the back like this. Thickened. I can thicken all this to, okay, something is still missing at that back, but I'm going to sort it. I thicken this, I thicken this also. Okay, then I'm going to thicken this all the way to that mark there. Do you see that? Okay, I'm going to draw this faintly. I won't thicken this yet. Faintly in that area. Okay, then I'm going to carry my set square position like this. I think I'm going to thicken this place. Yeah, I thicken this place like this. Yeah, I'm going to draw this faintly here. I won't thicken that also, but I think I'm going to thicken here to here and here to here like this. I'm going to thicken that. Swinging my set square again, I can thicken this now. I thicken that. I thicken this. Okay, with my vertical plane, I thicken this. I thicken this, and I also thicken this, and I thicken this. Yeah, I draw it with thick line. Okay, so that is also set. So I'm going to thicken this area also like this. So slide all the way to the back here. I'm going to thicken here to here and here to here. You see that? So I'm going to pick my set square, slide this to this junction here. Okay, draw it all the way to the back like that, faint line. Then I'm going to pull this from that junction. I will thicken this. Thickening that gives me the license to thicken this junction also like this. Sorry for the shadow. Okay, then I can now join this here, thickened like this. Okay, but that is not the end of our object. Now somewhere at the back here, we are having a tail. yeah, an extended tail of 5 mm. So at the back here, I'm measuring 5 mm here to here, 5. So that 5 mm, I'm going to pull it down vertically first of all, faintly. You see that? So after pulling it down faintly, so from the bottom here, I'm measuring mark of 10. Then another mark of 10. Okay, do you see those two mark? First mark and second mark. So then I'm going to pick my set square like this on this first mark of 10. So I'm going to thicken it like this on the second mark of 10. I'm going to thicken out also like this. Do you see that? So then I can now come here and thicken this and this like this. Then I'm going to thicken this like this. Okay, after doing that, then I'm going to swing here with my set square and draw this like this, which brings us to the end of our object as it were right there. So that is the reproduction of the it remains these two lines I haven't shown. So I thicken this, and that was all. So that brings us to the production of our object in isometric projection. All right. So once again, my name remains Oluwatomi Blessing Olalekon, the founder of Microtech. Kindly ensure to subscribe to this channel and also refer it to your friends who might be in need of it. Thank you.